galactic systems in their breathtaking enormity, marine life in all its mind-boggling diversity, myriads of forms of animal life, complexity, beauty, infinite wonder. Each layer of creation was formed along with infinite attention to its particulars. Thanks to quantum leaps in technology and research, God's attention to detail is all the more astonishing now that man can probe the sciences that God installed as the underpinnings of His creation. The following presentation demonstrates the precision that holds existence in place.
From galaxies and stars, down to atoms and subatomic particles, the very structure of our universe is determined by these numbers. These are the fundamental constants and quantities of the universe. Scientists have come to the shocking realization that each of these numbers has been carefully dialed to an astonishingly precise value, a value that falls within an exceedingly narrow, life-permitting range. If any one of these numbers were altered by even a hair's breadth, no physical, interactive life of any kind could exist anywhere. There'd be no stars, no life, no planets, no chemistry. Consider gravity, for example. The force of gravity is determined by the gravitational constant. If this constant varied by just 1 in 10 to the 60th parts, none of us would exist. If the gravitational constant had been out of tune by just one of these infinitesimally small increments, the universe would either have expanded and thinned out so rapidly that no stars could form and life couldn't exist, or it would have collapsed back on itself with the same result: no stars, no planets, and no life. Or consider the expansion rate of the universe. This is driven by the cosmological constant. A change in its value by a mere 1 part in 10 to the 120th parts would cause the universe to expand too rapidly or too slowly. In either case, the universe would, again, be life-prohibiting. The fact is, our universe permits physical, interactive life only because these, and many other numbers, have been independently and exquisitely balanced on a razor's edge.
Rather than requiring a simple statement of faith or a handful of flexible rituals, the Torah reveals layer upon layer of instruction, each with a plethora of precise elements. No detail is insignificant. A minor deviation could have cosmic effects. All the specifications of any given mitzvah must be accurately balanced for the intended divine reaction to emerge. A verse in Genesis informs us that man was created in God's image. Just as the Creator invests extraordinary precision in creating and maintaining all of existence, so does He set forth a path for man to connect with Him through careful attention to specifics. Our path to Him is made in the image of His path to us.